Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make Amala Felefele. Amala Felefele. Amala is made from yam, and you can liken it to pando yam, but the process is a bit different. I'm not going to bore you with that. And if you know, it has been series, like we started with buka stew, begiri. Now we're talking about Amala. In another video I'll be talking about Elubo, but today we are focusing on Amala, and it's so easy to make. And I'm going to teach you the simple way to do it, that it won't have lumps in it. I'm sure some part of Yoruba speaking place in Nigeria will be so happy to hear this. Or your state, Nigeria, all the Kyoguns, all those. I just say Ibadan, Ogbomoso, yeah, Shaki, yeah, you love your Amala, and I love it too, I enjoy it too. So come along with me, let's make the Amala together. Today we'll be making Amala, and the Amala is going to be very soft because I'll be eating it with Abula. I have my buka stew, I have my begiri, and I have my oil, that is a way to don't worry, I'll be posting them gradually so that you'll be able to do yours too. Amala is very simple to make. You can see I have my pot and I have water. Allow the water to boil very well. Let it get to boiling point. Get your wooden stick or turning stick, what we call omorogun. Yeah, get it ready, the one you are comfortable with. Then I'm going to be showing you my own style of making Amala Felefele. So when you put the water on the cooker or your stove, make sure you put more than enough water you need. So when it boils, you just take out some, because you'll be needing to put the water back when you had the yam flour. I will just be using Yam Flour, Elubo, and the people from Oyo State, where again, Oyo State, particularly people from Ibadan, they love Amala and Abula. And Abula simply means put your begiri over your Amala and put your stew over it, then add the ewedu. Some people do use okra, but I prefer ewedu. It's saying people, they love it. You know, almost every part of Nigeria, the Yoruba speaking part of Nigeria, we love Amala. But I know the Ijebus, they love their eba, and Egusi Ijebu more than Amala, and also they love their ikokore. So, but today we'll be staying with the Ibadans. The water is boiled. I'm taking this out 1 cup. And this is my Elubo. Close the yam flour. I'm going to lower the heat. I'll just pour my Elubo there. I will not stir. Yeah, that should be okay. Then I just begin to stir now. So simple to make. I'm going to add more Elubo. Yeah. This is what I'm looking for. So these are do my own Elubo. Turn my Elubo to Amala, and it's very easy to make this way. No lumps, because the cocoa, and I'm comfortable using this omorogun. Some people don't like using it like this. They like to use the big ones. Whatever omorogun you are comfortable with, the wooden stick or the turning stick, just use it. So you see it, there is no cocoa no lumps. So what I'll be doing now, because the amala is not done, I'll just mix the elubo, the yam flour, very well, but it's not done, it's not ready for serving. Remember the hot water I'm going to pour. It depends on how soft, or depends on the texture you want for your amala. I want my own very soft. I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let's start turning again. Now you can see that the color has changed. It's more lighter. I'm still going to add water because it's not all that soft. But before then, I want to make sure everything is well incorporated. I like using the pot with handle so that I'll be able to hold the pot and draw the amala close to me, towards me. See, some people, they put it on the floor and they draw it close to them. This is beautiful. I'll just add just a little bit of water and our amala is ready. Wow, see how smooth it is. Wow, very soft. And now our amala is ready. I'm going to dish it out, but before then I want to share with you a trick or a secret. Is it a secret? Just is a trick. I have my water here and I pour a little bit of oil here. I'll mix together, and that will make my spoon to be oily or greasy, so that when I put it in the amala will fall out like that. It won't get stuck to the spoon. So that's it. Now I'm going to serve the amala. I'm going to put water with the oil in it. Take one scoop, take another scoop. You see it? This is nice. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you will discover a lot, and as you discover new things, you will enjoy them more. Like today, I've showed you how to make amala without allowing lumps in it. And you can make it super soft, just the way you like it. The texture depends on your own taste. The way you like it, you can make it. So you see that it's not hard to make. When people say I can cook rice, I can do this, but I don't want to be making amala. Each time I try it, it's always lumpy. There is no cause for alarm. It's so easy to make. Just follow step by step and make sure you get good elubo, which is the yam flour we use in making the amala gbegiri podcast with pomo. The pomo to the muata, yeah, pomo, the pepper has entered into it. Oh, a way to is coming. If you like what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and your family, and don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed and you are still watching up till now, please do, and don't forget to press on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. I'm going to enjoy my amala. If you like and come with me, I'm expecting you. Till next time.